100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. The shirt has been flipped inside out. I have marked the center line-ish, and I'm going to go ahead and do a fold to make this left-right symmetrical. So there's a separate video just on this process that I have out there, so I'll go ahead and speed through this part. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and mark, say, every 3 inches, working my way all the way up the shirt. And then offset this by 1.5 now. Let's go 2 inches. Or 1 inch, sorry. Offset this by 1 inch and then mark every 3 inches on this side. Alright, we'll start down here and do accordion folds. Band this off. There we go. All right. I'll probably touch that up a little before I do it. Off to dye. All right, for this I'm using shiitake mushroom and black cherry, and both of these are from Dharma. Ignore this. This is a different video, assuming it works. So I'm going to fill it up with ice, which seems wasteful because I'm only dyeing this part probably, I don't know, down to here or so, maybe a little further. On the first pass, then we'll be flipping it the opposite direction and dyeing this part down here, the other color. Alright, we'll let that sit and melt through. Alright, so the first side is done. I'm going to flip this the other direction, but since there's so much powder and stuff left in there of the dye, I'm going to go ahead and flush it too. Alright, looks like I got a whole line going right there, all the way down. Flip this over. I'll put the ice down and we'll go ahead and dye it. Alright, we'll let that melt through. Alright, so let's go ahead and rinse this out. Alright. Let's go throw that in the wash and take a final look. Alright, here's the front. And here's the back. Alright, I could have let it sit probably another 12 hours or so, would have helped with the saturation. It's a little pastel compared to what I was shooting for, but overall I really like it. I think it came out really good. I've used these two colors before on some other things, and it works very well together. I mean, they even look similar in the jar, really. The shiitake and the black cherry, I mean, they both have that pinkish purplish hue to it. So it's kind of similar to the alien spine, but it doesn't have as steep of a angle to the spine, and it wasn't folded in a quarter to start with, so it doesn't change going across. It stays that one direction. Honestly, I think it looks really good. I really like it. It has that spine feeling to it, and I don't think there would be anything that I'd change, even colors, really going forward with this. It comes out really nice. So what are your thoughts? Let me know down below. Until next time, thanks for watching.